Hey there! This is all about if you want to join the book launch team. So this is what it looks like when I'm making this ask. So I'm getting ready to write the second edition of my book, and what I'm asking of you is, hey, would you be able to help me fool the Amazon algorithms that this should be the #1 book by leaving a review? So there's a lot that goes into the mechanics of launching a book successfully, and this is what it typically looks like. So the game plan is to publish, I think it's May 24th, it's a Monday. And then we'll have a week where it's a soft launch where you can go in and get the book for free or 99 cents. I haven't decided yet how we're gonna do that, but leave a review. As we gain more reviews, Amazon gets notified, hey, this is an awesome book. And then we'll do a public launch the week thereafter, tell all your buddies, right? And then the book is off and running, galloping away. So if you are interested in being on this book launch team, please add your name and what ideas you have. Wild promotion is cool. Should we, get a blimp and fly that through the space? Like, what should we do to let people know that this book is out there? I love all creative and wild ideas. And if you have any questions, just shoot me an email. Otherwise, super pumped to have you on the book launch team.